morning. Happy Vlogmas day 3. Today's Monday. I just walked up a bunch of flights of stairs. Elevator's still broken. Pro tip, if you are going to college next year and you're like picking a house, or like not a house, like a dorm to live, pick a lower floor dorm, because when your elevators break and you have to walk up all those stairs, I'm on the top floor, all those, I just had a final. It was my interior design final, and normally like when we have tests, she'll give us a study guide and like all the answers are on the study guide and you just have to fill it out. That's normally how it is, so I like did that. You guys saw my vlog yesterday. It took me forever, but I did that, and like all the answers weren't on it. Like there were some that like literally I don't remember learning, so but I mean whatever, I have an A, so I should be fine. I'm going to go to a math review. I got a bagel. It was really good from the MU. I have these things called M&Gs, and they're like with your meal plan you get like money kind of to like spend on like certain restaurants and things like in the MU, and I'm trying to use mine up because I get new ones next semester. Oh, do you want to do, okay, I already broke it. Do you guys want to do the advent calendar of the day? Okay, where's number 3? Is there a number? Oh, it's right there. Does it go like every other? Yeah, it does. Cool. Number 3. Ooh. Oh, that was so much easier to get out than this one was. That one was a struggle. The Nest Black Perfume. I love when they're called them parfums instead of perfume. I think it's funny. No, I'm not wearing perfume. I also don't match. Look at this. I slept in this and I just like got up and walked to class. This is from Old Navy and like they're blue. And I'm wearing Rouge 21 shoes and then like this Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. Like, do I match? No. Do I care? No. I love that you guys get to see great angles of me every day now. Oh, this is actually like a lot of perfume. Maybe I can bring this on my trip to Florida. Surprise, I'm going to Florida soon. I don't know if I hate it or love it. Imagine if you guys could just smell it. It's like very strong, like a little old lady-ish, like my grandma could like it, but it's also like a good old lady. Like not like one of those like bad old ladies, but like an old lady that knows how to smell good. So I have a final review session, which I can go to, which I'm gonna go to soon. It starts at 12. I don't know where it is. Someone tried explaining it to me and I was like, what? But yeah, that starts at 12 and it's 11:30, so I don't know what time I should go because I have to walk down all those stairs and like, you know. Guys, remember how I mentioned that I was going to this math review? So I went, and this math review is an hour and a half long. I need to like clear my throat. How these math reviews work is like they'll have like a person who works at the tutoring center like kind of overview everything that you're gonna be like having on the test. So, like they'll have practice problems and go over it. 30 minutes in, I was just like, he's good at like explaining it, but like my learning style like isn't compatible with like his teaching style, and I didn't want to leave and like be rude and just like get up in the middle. So I literally sat there for an hour doing nothing because I didn't want to be rude. What? Hello, I just tried to study a bunch of stuff and I'm just so confused. I have this like, I guess she's a TA because she's not technically a professor because she's getting her PhD, but like she told us, she was like, okay guys, I'm making you a study guide, probably not gonna help, but like you'll be something. And she's like, I'm gonna post it on Blackboard, and then it's not posted on Blackboard, and she went like MIA and is not responding to any of my emails. Who is she? And then she also made like a study thing for us and made it so confusing. So I showed you like the clip earlier of like me like writing the flashcards. She like put them reversed. Like she'd show us the answer and then the question. It was just like a whole weird thing, so I was so confused. And then I tried to study math, like go over practice problems. The stuff at the beginning of the semester really confused me, and like towards the end of the semester like I understood all of it, but like the content in the beginning I still don't understand it. Still confused, so I gave up after like 20 minutes because I was like, what is the limit? I don't know. That was when I was struggling in math. My room is just a mess. All I can think about is how messy I am. Makes me very upset. So it's a little bit later. I feel like all I've done today is just vlog in my room. Like there's not much exciting stuff going on this week, but like once it hits like Saturday, then it'll get exciting because I'm going to Florida. I'm doing so many fun things. Bear with me. My mom just reminded me to vlog because I've just been like watching Netflix and procrastinating studying because I'm the worst student ever. I used to be such a good student. Those were the days. My mom is a 5th grade teacher and she was talking about how wait a second. She was talking about how her class was talking about cyberbullying today because they had to do like an online thing, and someone in her class brought up me. Hey to my mom's 5th grade class. It always like weirds, or not weirds me out, but like it like intimidates me that like a younger audience watches my videos because like I want to be a good role model, but I'm also like I'm not a good role model because like I'm just like I'm a procrast. Well, I don't do bad things, but like this kid that I have never like I think I've talked to him like once in high school, just Snapchatted me, and now I'm scared to open it. Just bear with me for the next couple days. Tomorrow's actually gonna be fun, so you're gonna want to watch that because like my friends and I are going out to dinner and you're gonna meet all my like college friends. I don't think I've introduced you to them like fully yet, so yeah, sorry these vlogs are boring. My bad. Reality. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.